Brocade and Aruba Networks have entered into a strategic partnership to provide customers with a unified wired and wireless campus LAN solution as tightly integrated as one from a single vendor. Brocade and Aruba provide best-of-breed wired and wireless networks, each focusing on their respective technology strengths. Through joint development, both companies provide an integrated solution that delivers a consistent experience, whether users are connected via the wire or wirelessly. Over the next few minutes, you will see demonstrations of Brocade Network Advisor, Aruba Airwave, and Aruba ClearPass sharing common management and security policy enforcement across the combined portfolios of the two companies.
My name is Dominic Orr. I'm the CEO of Aruba Networks.
Thank you, Dominic, and I'm Lloyd Carney, CEO of Brocade Communications.
What Brocade and Aruba has been passionately working on, which is an open, simple, mobility-oriented next-generation campus network architecture.
The joint infrastructure solution is second to none, and we're excited about the opportunity. This is, of course, important to both Dominic and I.
Together here, I want to commit to you that we will be, as a team, be a good partner. Thank you very much.
Yeah, great. Thank you for the opportunity. Looking forward to serving you.
Thank you.
Brocade and Aruba Networks provide integration of their products and technologies in several key areas. Unified management using either Brocade Network Advisor or Aruba Airwave network management software, with consistent security policies using Aruba ClearPass leveraging industry standard 802.1x protocols, with unified compatibility testing, joint technical support working together to resolve customer problems, and joint engineering development working together to deliver seamlessly integrated wired wireless solutions. Brocade Network Advisor, or BNA, is a comprehensive network management solution that helps organizations simplify management to improve efficiency and reduce costs. In addition to all Brocade LAN and SAN switches, BNA now monitors Aruba wireless networks, providing visibility from the data center to the campus access network, including Aruba wireless LAN solutions. After logging into BNA, we see a dashboard showing a summary of our network. Here we can see the Brocade ICX switches and Aruba wireless LAN controller in our lab. Looking at a more detailed view, we see the individual devices. If we click on the Aruba controller, we can see more detail, including device properties or individual ports. BNA will allow users to go directly into an element manager. In the case of an Aruba device, it will link directly to the Aruba device management software. Of course, BNA provides full management for all Brocade campus or data center LAN switches, as well as SAN networks. Administrators can quickly identify network issues with customizable dashboards and drill down to isolate and fix problems. BNA allows network managers to proactively manage end-to-end network health, performance, and aids troubleshooting across the unified wired and wireless networks. Airwave is Aruba's network management software, which now includes the ability to monitor and secure Brocade wired infrastructure products, as well as Aruba wireless LANs. We'll log in and take a look. We can see here the devices on the network. Here we can see the Aruba controller and 3 Brocade switches in our small network lab. We'll select one, an ICX 6450. Here we can see the device information and graphs on the usage of the switch. You can see that there's only been limited activity on our lab network. We'll click on Interfaces and view details about the ports on our switch. And if we select an individual port, we can see further details on that port, including a view of the usage. So now customers can use Airwave as a single pane of glass to monitor their Brocade wired network, as well as their Aruba wireless network. Aruba's ClearPass access management system makes the enforcement of security policies easy by leveraging Aruba's integrated firewall security with support for industry standards such as 802.1x, Radius, SNMP, GRE, and SSH for integration with third-party networking equipment. Brocade's implementation of 802.1x protocols, including change of authorization, allows ClearPass to set policies for users and devices connected to Brocade switches as well as Aruba wireless networks, providing consistent policy management independent of whether users are connected via wire or wirelessly. Let's take a look at ClearPass in action. Logging on to ClearPass, we see a dashboard with recent authentications as well as links to policy management services. Let's take a look at our user settings. We can see that the user is nurse and they're in the medical access list. And we can see what they have access to. Now we'll open up the authentication window and select the user nurse. Here we'll change the user's access status. And now we'll display the user's settings and see that we've changed the access status and restricted their access on the network. So we've shown a simple example of ClearPass policy management using 802.1x and dynamic change of authorization that can be used whether the user is connected to a Brocade switch or via Aruba wireless network. Unified technical support is an essential element of our partnership. Brocade and Aruba have signed an agreement to exchange technical information and provide a direct link between the technical support departments to expedite the resolution of customer questions and problems. Technical support at each company has direct access to the other support team and will coordinate joint support, including initiating a support ticket at both companies if needed. A support ticket at either company will not be closed until the customer's problem is resolved. No matter whether a customer calls Brocade or Aruba, wired and wireless support will be provided without any finger pointing or passing the buck, or having the customer to try to figure out which vendor they need to help resolve their problem. Brocade and Aruba bring together a shared vision and strategy to deliver next-generation virtualized campus networks. Moving forward, we will continue to work together to deliver seamlessly integrated wired and wireless solutions. Together, Brocade and Aruba enable today's organizations to achieve secure, optimized, and affordable mobility effortlessly. Thank you.